Hello guys and welcome back to Dad's Kitchen. Have you ever wondered how Mexican corn street from the Mexican street tastes? Well, have you ever wondered how it's made? We're gonna make it today. Now I represent my dad.
Okay. Thank you guys, thank you. Welcome back to Dad's Kitchen. Okay? And today we're gonna make one of our favorite plates, which is Mexican corn. And how you do it, you actually buy the corn. You could do it fresh. You could go to the store and get a fresh corn, take the corn husk and put it on the water, or you could do it like we do it. We buy it frozen. You know, once again, this is Dad's Kitchen, and this is how it's made corn for the kids like. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do, what we did boil some water. Okay, guys, and what we did, we boiled some water. We put the corn in there, and we put one tablespoon of this consommé de pollo. No, you can see, you can actually see it at a Mexican stores, or even in Walmart on the Mexican side. So very important. You leave the corn on water boiling for 7 minutes. When it's boiling, when this is done, you can take it out. Okay.
Be very careful.
Be very careful, and you can use all kinds of stuff. I like to use this little little sticks that we usually use for this kvash, and you put it right here. Now you can use different type of ingredients, but this is the way that we like to see. So Mino, can you just put attention here or no?
The corn.
On the corn? Okay. So the very first thing we do, we put the butter. Okay? And we kind of, you can grab all kinds of butter. We choose to use the square, and we just bathe the butter with the corn with butter. Okay? So you go around, round until you have enough corn. Okay? Enough butter around the corn. See how it's kind of nice and buttery now? The next step we like to do is to put the cheese. Now we do have the Mexican cheese. We could use Parmesan cheese if you don't have this Mexican. It's called queso cotija. And it's very popular cheese. When you don't have this cheese, and if you can't find it, substitute with Parmesan cheese. But this is the cheese that all the Elotes use, and that's what everyone tells me to use on my video. So I'm gonna make everyone happy. So I'm just gonna put corn all over the place, Just gonna go,
If you really like cheese, then you would have to put a lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese, and it's kind of fine grated cheese, It's easy to work in, and if it goes on the floor, just make sure on the plate, just go around it, so that way you can have, cheese all over the place.
Yeah, it's better if it goes on the plate and you just roll it too.
If you roll it, huh? What do you think, Mina?
I think it's getting pretty cheesy right
Pretty cheesy?
And buttery.
Battery, come on here, mijo. So then,
it's some of my favorites, so I kind of guess it's very good.
The next one that we like to do, okay, is we're gonna put this ingredient called tajin. Okay.
It's not on much sticks.
The tajin is very popular with fruits. Okay.
Like mostly with watermelon.
Watermelon, yeah. What else?
Strawberries, you could put it on strawberries.
Okay, strawberries. I like to use it for cooking, so I like to put it in my cooking all the time, and we're just gonna put, around the elote, right?
That's looking tasty.
So now, last but not least, we're gonna put Valentina.
Are you sure you didn't put the lemons?
Oh yeah, we'll put it at the end.
Really?
Okay?
Oh my god.
Now, Valentina, you could find it anywhere too.
Anywhere. It is very cheap, unbelievably cheap.
With a very good taste.
Probably in other states.
So we put enough. Not too much if you don't want to have it too hot. And last but not least, we're going to use the lemon. The lemon is the key ingredient on this one because it gives them that sour taste. Okay, so I like this too that we buy, so you can find it at any Mexican curries. This is how you spray the lemon.
But if you find it easier to do it with your hands, then
go for it. Okay.
Well,
And you know, so that's how we do the lemon. You know, we put it in there. Usually 2 per corn. And here it is, guys. We have a first homemade
Corn.
corn.
Let me zoom in.
Can you shoot it?
mostly because I am very hungry. Right
Okay.
now. Like,
So now this is the homemade, and now let's see how the kids do their own corn in here. Okay, so we're gonna record a little bit, you know, to see the kids making their own corn. Okay, so that's part is food the kids love. What? You don't want to do it in front of the camera? Okay.
well, I'm just gonna take a picture of this.
No, don't really. You like trying to recording just a minute.
Okay, here's one corn. Who's going to do this, guys?
Me.
You gonna do this? Okay, good. Here's
Butter. Now, me, I personally love to put a lot of butter and a lot of these ingredients. Mostly when it comes to Valentina, cheese and lemons and butter. Actually, I just like all the ingredients.
Let's look in the fridge. Let's see what I would like from the fridge right now.
Me know.
How much is this?
This is not pizza.
I know. I just want to choose.
here's the other. Come on, Mino.
Yay. Let me see if there's like.
So here's some more butter, Miko. Eh?
Alright.
So you can have your
Butter. This is already looking good for my.
And this is very healthy. This is a vegetable, right? Okay, so
Crazy. Oh, God, that burns. That burns.
But of course, you don't have to follow this rule. This is just our own thing we like to do.
You can add more stuff to it.
You could add tons of stuff, like whatever you like in it.
Inside of it?
And
Oh, yeah. Outside of it. Like, on top of it. I'm gonna use lots of butter. Because I love butter. When I play Minecraft and I see gold, I call it butter. Okay, I think I put too much butter.
okay, that's enough. Angie's becoming an expert in making elotes.
I love elotes. My dad even thinks that I could win an elote contest. Eating
There's
contest.
more.
I really don't.
I think chicken wing.
I don't.
My brother's always so negative.
Oh, mostly are you.
Kind of like the pizza.
Yep.
A lot like
Pizza's
the
always
pizza.
good.
Okay. And this is something that you can do with your kids. As you can see, they enjoy doing that.
Yeah. Butter.
This is real Mexican street elotes made at home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every time you say it's Mexican street elote, I just feel like it comes from the street.
Okay.
Or do they just make it from the streets? Or in the streets? Real pro at this.
Okay, the butter eater.
So I'm just gonna do that.
Okay.
And
Oh, no. Butter is horrible.
Okay, and then that's a Valentina, Mino, no Valentina?
Yeah.
And then lemon.
How do you
who
even like
ate all the butter?
You!
Oh my god, okay, let's look at Minos. Please, okay.
I mean, come on, peoples.
You eat all the butter.
I don't know.
I feel like if we had like a special house full of butter, my sister would eat it all.
Well, I don't like butter by itself, but I like
It tastes
corn.
horrible. Why would you like it by
Do you like
itself?
that? Now that's extreme hot over there.
Well,
That's
the
mild,
hotter it is, the better.
medium, and then extreme hot over there.
Look at Angie's!
Mine is not messy.
Look at Angie's!
Okay guys, so now
No way, I still need a lot.
This is how Mexicorn is made.
Mexicorn?
Please don't judge my brothers.
Street corn is
Please.
made at home. As you can see, it's not that hard. Enjoy, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna enjoy it. Thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up.
And comment down below what
And
we
comments
should
down
do
below, yes.
Next year.
Okay.
I mean,
Thank
not next year.
you. Okay.
Year.
Bye.
Bye.